In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion automations. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, learning how to utilize automations can truly streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Let's dive in and explore the process together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to notion.so. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, you should start by creating one. But if you're already using Notion, simply log in and get ready to enhance your productivity skills. Once you're on the Notion dashboard, you'll need to decide where you want your new automation to live. You can either create a new page or choose an existing one. If you want to practice without affecting your current setups, a new page might be the best place to experiment. Otherwise, go ahead and open up an existing page where you feel the automation will be beneficial. With your page open, you're going to want to locate the area where you'd like to add an automation button. Click on the space and type "button" into the page. A small dialog will pop up, giving you the option to add a button. Select it, and you'll see a button placeholder appear on your page. Next, you'll click on the placeholder where it says Edit. This is where you can start tailoring the button to suit your needs. You'll see several options. One of the most exciting features here is the ability to choose an action for the button. You might want to create a template, duplicate content, move a task, or anything else that fits your workflow needs. Take a moment to explore what each action does, think about the best fit for your current projects, and make a selection. After selecting the appropriate action, you can move on to customizing the appearance of your button. Not only do you get to choose how it looks with colors and sizes, but you can also name it something meaningful that reflects its function. This is a great way to ensure quick identification, especially if you plan on incorporating multiple automation buttons. The last step is to give your new button a test run. Once you've saved all your settings and are satisfied with how it looks and functions, go ahead and click the button. This will help confirm that everything operates as intended and gives you a chance to see your automation in action. By following these steps, you've learned how to utilize automations in Notion, making it a powerful ally in organizing your tasks and projects. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to build or modify a new automation button, and don't forget to regularly test them to ensure they're still meeting your needs. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Notion automations, and until next time, keep optimizing those workflows.